Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to paint a bunch of balloons for a birthday card. I'm going to paint all the balloons in oval shape but in different colors. Now I'm painting a very transparent balloon which is in orange color. I diluted the orange color in tea consistency, so it is very transparent. These are the set of balloons that are going to be at the background. On our painting process, we are going to add more and more set of balloons. What is the mean of set? A set is four balloons of same color. That is the idea that I am having for this card. The second set of balloons are created by mixing orange with yellow to have bright orange, and the third set of balloon is created by mixing the orange with a little amount of red. When you want to overlap a balloon over the other, for example, say if you want to overlap a balloon B on balloon A, check first if balloon A is completely dry, and then you can overlap it by painting over the balloon A. Now I'm painting the balloons with gamboge yellow. So if you don't have gamboge yellow, you can use any Naples yellow or any other yellow that you have. My fifth set of balloons are painted with opera pink. Just I want to remind you the colors that I've used so far. The first set is orange, that is very diluted. Second set is orange mixed with yellow. Third set is orange mixed with little amount of red, and fourth set is gamboge yellow. Fifth is opera pink. Then the last color that I'm going to use is cerulean blue. So far we have painted all the balloons using warm color. Now I'm using a cool color to compensate with all those warm color balloons. So the cerulean blue is a cool color, so that is what I'm using. If you don't have any color that I have mentioned in this painting, you can choose your own color from your palette, which is somewhat related to the color that I have used. After finishing this painting, I was looking at the card. It was really beautiful. I was awestruck by its beauty, and I really admired my work. It is so simple to paint these balloons, and the outcome is extremely beautiful. Hope it will be loved by anyone who receives this card. And if you have noticed, I added more and more blue balloons to compensate all the warm colors, and also I added rope using light gray instead of using dark black color, because I don't want black color to dominate other colors, so I used light gray and used black color to write down happy birthday. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more watercolor painting videos. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.